Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We've got grains a little bit higher overnight. Yesterday, we had a pretty sharp rally in the grains. I think each market had its own fundamentals. We've had the beans market trading maybe U.S. weather and strong domestic basis. Corn and wheat added some premium on concern that maybe Ukraine will not ship the 5 million tons a month that the agreement suggested when the deal was signed between Russia and UN and Ukraine and UN. Still a lot of obstacles, challenges. We did hear one boat that was finished loading and could be shipped any day now, but there's maybe a total of 20 boats sitting there, and the concern is that the quality of the grain in the boats probably has deteriorated. We're also not sure if all of the elevators are functioning, and one company said they were not going to staff their elevator in Odessa for the safety of their workers. Overnight, I think that we're still seeing a change in the potential change in U.S. Midwest weather pattern. It looks like that will be warm and dry next week across much of the Midwest, especially the northwest Midwest, parts of Nebraska, Minnesota, South Dakota, and northwest Iowa. That would be the area that probably will see the most net drying over the next 2 weeks. Still have rain from across Kansas into Missouri and the Ohio River Valley, and noted the flooding in St. Louis overnight. And so I think that the pattern, according to some people, could actually have a ridge set in for 2 weeks, being warm and dry across the Midwest. And that's what the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day is talking about. So the key is the third week. And does the ridge stay, or does it move back to the west and allow for more normal weather? We would think that the corn crop rating is probably maybe a little bit below what people are seeing when they drive by fields, but we'll see just what the ratings do on Monday. Soybean crop is probably the most vulnerable right now if we go into a dry and warm pattern for a lower yield and make the situation tighter. The September beans trading over $14, August beans trading $15.50, not expected to see any deliveries. We're testing $6 September corn. $6.30 is probably the price in which we could turn the charts positive. And then we got wheat up a little bit here, Chicago around $8. Still really needs to be closer to $9 to bring in some new buying. Wheat tour in North Dakota found a 49 yield versus 29 in 2021. That's in line with the USDA's record yield of 51. And we'll just kind of see what the rest of the tour finds as far as wheat up there. Still concerned about Europe wheat quality, Russia wheat quality, and that the USDA needs to address the fact that Europe, the Black Sea wheat exports might be down from their estimate, and that Europe corn might be down also from their estimate.